Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage overdue invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you're running a business, staying on top of unpaid invoices is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow, and QuickBooks makes this process straightforward by allowing you to filter, view, and send reminders for overdue payments, all from one central location. To get started, navigate to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Sales and then select Invoices from the options that appear. This will take you to your complete sales list where all your invoices are stored and managed. Once you're viewing your invoices, look toward the top of the page for the Filter drop-down menu. Click on it to access the filtering options. This feature is incredibly useful because it lets you sort through your invoices based on specific criteria rather than scrolling through everything manually. In the filter options, you'll see various status choices. Select Overdue from these options, then click Apply. This will refresh your view to display only the invoices that have passed their due date without being paid. Now you can see exactly which customers need a gentle reminder about their outstanding payments. From this filtered view, locate the specific overdue invoice you want to follow up on. QuickBooks gives you two efficient ways to handle reminders depending on how many invoices you need to address. For a single invoice, click the drop-down arrow in the Action column next to that particular invoice. This opens a menu with several options for managing that invoice. Select Send Reminder from this menu, and QuickBooks will automatically generate and send a payment reminder to your customer. If you need to send reminders for multiple overdue invoices at once, there's an even faster method. Simply check the boxes next to each invoice you want to include. Once you've selected all the relevant invoices, click the Batch Actions drop-down menu at the top of your list. From here, select Send Reminders. This batch feature saves you significant time by allowing you to communicate with multiple customers simultaneously rather than processing each reminder individually. By using these filtering and reminder features, you can efficiently manage your overdue accounts receivable and maintain professional communication with your customers about outstanding payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.